Hey, welcome back to another late night snacks video, and this will be on instant noodles. Have any instant noodle package you want with processed cheese and an egg. Turn on your stove to medium to high heat. And then put your pot of water on top and put a lid on it until it's boiling, like so. Cook your noodles as the instructions on your package say. And make sure your noodles are soaked in with the water. Finally, put the lid on top to make sure it cooks evenly. Strain out your noodles. Put all of your contents of the bag inside, on top of the noodles. I have cheese and like the fire sauce. Looks really doubly to me actually. Mix, mix, mix. Look at that steam bath. And then add your cheese and cover it with your noodles so it will melt. And then with your pan, crack an egg and put it on top. And sizzle those. I like to use no oil, so that's why my egg turned out like that. Just the egg, no oil at all. Then put it on top of your noodles and enjoy your simple, easy ramen. Thank you for watching the video, and please give a like, comment, and subscribe if you want more. Bye bye!